Hi, Sammy fam. I've had a long day today, so I gotta treat myself. First thing that happened was last night I was walking and there was a surprise thunderstorm. It was beautiful, like the sky turned dark, there was thunder everywhere, lightning. Oh, it's gorgeous. But even inside of the plastic track pants I was wearing, both my phone and my iPod Classic died. So this morning I got a new phone. Very awesome that when you live near an Apple store, $9 delivery in like a few hours after you order it. So thank you, Williamsburg Apple Store, for that. And then my shoes have been falling apart and I've been putting off getting new ones, and I was proud of myself for ordering an old iPhone. I got a 6S because I already had a 6S and I don't use it for anything except for texting. I don't need anything fancy. So the money I saved, I used to buy myself a new shoe so that I won't be in pain when I walk anymore. So check it out. Got my new Adidas. Bam. And these were actually like the cheapest ones in the store. I took a walk over to the original store in Soho. But so now I have some nice new comfy shoes. They're wonderful. They have such great arch support, and I have like a torn tendon in my foot and it helps so much. And I'm treating myself tonight. Look at this, guys. We got our a nice, just, we're not going super hard on this. We got mild Italian sausage because we got a lot of other flavors going on and we don't want to overpower them. Let me just give you a sneak peek. Oh, do you see all that cheesiness? That's provolone right in there. And then we have delicious sauteed spinach and balsamic vinegar. Just a touch of balsamic vinegar. It's powerful flavor. We have, of course, some pepper to add a little bit of heat. And then we have our sauteed yellow onion, just a tiny bit caramelized. I don't know how you really are supposed to say it. And red peppers. I think this is going to be delicious. I baked it all together for a little bit. I cooked the sausage on its own, of course, to make sure it was cooked through. But then put it all together and wrapped it in foil and baked it for about 20 minutes. I put it in an unpreheated oven and set it at 350 and then just let it warm up to it. So it didn't, it just gives it a little bit of crunch and lets the flavors really come together. Ooh, standing at attention. Go back down, boy. Oh, that's a good boy. And we're going to just gently set this knife back here. As a gentleman would. He wouldn't just throw it willy-nilly into the background and possibly end up stabbing himself in the foot on accident. Well, look at that. Look at all those beautiful colors. Brown, red, and green, yellow of the carbs. Oh, it's starting to fall apart. I better just get right into this. Now that is truly a delight. I'm so glad that I got the red pepper. I was thinking like, oh, maybe I shouldn't spend the extra money. It's a whole $1 or whatever for a red pepper. But it really adds so much. I like the lightness that it gives to it. And the provolone cheese with the sausage is spectacular. And the sausage isn't overpowering. True to its name, mild, but very nice. I can taste in the sausage just a light amount of heat, and I love that. And then a little bit of extra heat coming from the pepper that I added. And it's very balanced. I usually just go full throttle on the heat, and it's hot sauce all the way. But it doesn't need to be, you can balance things. And that's fun too. You don't have to be aggressive about it. Just enjoy the sweet, tangy, slightly hot balance of it. I worked all day long, and then I went and walked like 15 miles to buy shoes and break the shoes in. It was a long day, stressful day. And this is the perfect thing just to relax with and feel, just chill. I'm sorry I'm so sweaty, guys. It's because I don't have air conditioning and I close all the windows to film, but trust me, even though I look like an insane, crazy person right now, with some sort of health deficiency, I'm quite happy. I'm quite pleased. You don't need to worry about Daddy. He's doing just fine. Nice part about this, you wouldn't be able to tell from all my sweating, but it doesn't feel too heavy, I guess, there's a lot of veggies on here, and the meat itself I don't think is very high fat. Obviously it's pork, there's some fat to it, but it's not weighing me down. Onions fell out. Slippery bastards. Come here, come here. I am so tired and so sweaty. I hope you guys had a less stressful day than I did, but I'm wishing you all the best. And I'm wishing you all had that sandwich because it's amazing. It's so good.